There's a couple more cool things.
Oh, we need to drive it up there. You guys are lame.
Yeah.
Huh? What do you think it is?
Don't read it.
The
I
frick?
thought it was maybe like an airplane or something.
An airplane?
Or a boat.
It's a big box.
Or
I know that much.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. That'd be cool.
That'd be cool. We'd
Maybe it is.
chop our heads off the helicopter.
I read the box.
What did you say? You read the box? Is it a helicopter?
I don't think
What is it?
so.
I thought you said you read the box. Hi, Miles.
I know it's one of the biggest RC boxes we've ever had, for
You
sure.
can't read the box. It says right here. Look at it. Oh, you read it? What did it say?
It's like a car hauler.
What'd you read?
I just read hauler.
Oh. It's a car hauler.
Oh, I can't wait to see this thing.
Keep
Why is it
tipping
so
it.
big?
Dump it out. Miles, but you can fit in the box.
Yeah, that is a gigantic box.
Here, Miles. Thanks, that's all more or less. Hi, Miles. What is it?
Oh, they just got the Impala on the picture.
Does
Yeah.
it? Where?
Right on the front of the box. I think you guys have to do it by both ends, maybe. Take a little sneak peek here. Okay.
Okay. It's huge. Sheesh. Wow. Oh! Is that metal?
It's like a
Plastic.
hard plastic, I think.
Oh, wow. It feels heavy duty. We need to take it off and put a metal one on there.
Wood
Metal.
grain. Metal? Okay. There's a lot of opportunities for customizing these
Definitely
things.
metal. How dumb would we be? Okay.
Nobody can see it yet. It's still hidden.
Has this got anything in there?
Those small boxes might.
Small boxes is, big boxes don't have anything.
These are just for whapping Jason.
That's right.
Come here, let me whap
Holy
ya.
crap.
Come here, let me whap you with it real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna get whapped. Oh, God.
That hurt?
No.
That wasn't a good enough whap.
That's what came with.
Boy, this thing takes a while to get out of the box.
Oh, I need the knife. It feels like
Sandpaper?
ceiling,
Oh,
like a rooftop.
like a shingle?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow! Feel that!
Ew, it's like sandpaper.
Wow. Well, if we ever need some, we'll just steal it from the back of the truck.
Yeah.
Sand your truck. Here. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty it is.
It's awesome.
Wow.
Oh, your hand.
Well, it's knifing the thing off of here.
It's really pinned down.
This knife sucks.
It does not suck.
It's probably not very sharp.
You gotta sharpen it.
At all.
Did you get
You
it?
gotta sharpen it. Here, hand me my Cutco. Cutco
I
scissors.
can't cut this thick.
We can cut a penny with
There we
these.
go.
See there?
Snap.
That's a thick one.
I'll take that.
You need to cut this with your knife.
Anything in there? That's one of the good remotes that has the flashlight in the front. Oh my gosh.
Why would they put that on there?
I don't know. Let's see what. Just kind of. Is it actually behind that thing?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's weird.
Be careful when you take it apart.
Piece in the top. There it is.
Does this lift up?
It comes off.
Hood?
No, the hood doesn't lift up.
It looks
But
like it
that
might.
whole front body comes
It
off.
like hinges.
That is so pretty. It's got an interior. Oh, it's even got like the interior all done up.
It does? Can we
And it's
open the
got
door?
like stuff on the
Oh,
dashboard.
we can't open the door.
Nope.
Shoot.
Smokestacks.
We have to put a person in there. Can we put a person in there?
Sure.
Huh. Wow. Is there an actual truck that looks like that?
Yeah, this is a Chevrolet.
No, it doesn't. This isn't what they look like.
This is a 1953.
There wouldn't have been a truck that looks like
Yes,
this.
there
These
is.
little thingies sticking
Look
out.
it up. Yep. 1953 Chevrolet COE. This is a real truck.
Wow.
Now there's a lot of different variations at the back end.
I wonder if anyone has one in this good a shape. Wyatt will probably find it.
Yeah, restore it. That is absolutely
Wow.
sick.
It'd be cool to have a car hauler.
Yep.
That would be cool.
And somewhere in the bag is like wheel chocks that go on here. Oh, that does feel. That's a lot solider.
Wheel chocks.
Yeah, that snap into these little holes so your car doesn't roll.
Oh, well, let's go put the Impala on here.
Okay,
Toss.
we got the 64 Impala out,
Where's the scissors go?
and Wyatt's working on the wheel chocks here.
This is like sealed shut, so you have to cut it open.
I don't know
Liz is opening the sticker bag.
what's going on here.
Oh, it's a giant sheet. Look, Wyatt. We'll be able to see out. Are those windows?
Those are like cargo doors that would go on the side of the
Oh.
back there.
I thought those were windows.
Yeah, like doors that would open up.
Well, you get your choice.
Yeah.
Clear.
Look at all the places for lights down the side. That is gonna look so good.
Oh, look, you can put pinstriping, Wyatt.
Oh, it does have pinstripes?
Logo.
That's awesome. Got the Redcat logo for the
Here, Wyatt.
doors.
Sit down and put the pinstripes on there. Oh, some steel ones. Those would be pretty.
Yep.
And some. Maybe Ashley will want to do this. Would you like to do it or Ashley?
Yeah, I guess it's go there.
Ashley could decorate if you don't want to. But you
They
could.
don't fit in those ones.
No, I don't know what. Oh, those are for the straps, tie down straps.
There's some of these.
Here's the instructions.
Yeah.
You boys
So I think
have
those
to-
rubber straps would connect in there. See you put those on the end of there, and that like holds down an axle or something. And there's Miles patiently waiting in the background.
There's another instruction book.
We're just kind of checking it out here.
Why is it letting you not fit?
Is it just supposed to hook onto those? Okay,
Clips on there.
I see.
Oh, it's fancy.
Yeah. So push those wheel chocks in there and then throw the Impala on it. I want to see
You've
it.
got the lights on the Impala.
Yeah, I turned it on so we could check out the lights.
Well, I don't know what part to use. There's a bunch of spots for wheels.
I would just put one maybe here and here.
Make sure it'll work.
I think you just need to put the front ones on for now, but
This car must be dusty.
oh yeah, there's center caps in that bag too for the wheels. See them? Right there.
Wyatt, there's center caps.
Okay.
Why didn't they come with them on?
I don't know.
That's goofy.
Might have to put the back ones on too then, huh, Wyatt?
Probably.
Yeah.
This is the wrong
Here,
one
Wyatt,
right
here's
over
your
there.
caps. Whoa, whoa. This coming out the other side. Oh, where'd it go? Cap rolled under.
Okay, there's our wheel chocks.
I don't know why you call it chalk.
That's what they are.
CHALK.
No, it's not spelled the same way. It's like AUK or something like that. I don't know.
Never heard of a chalk besides a chalkboard.
Oh, we forgot to show something cool. Where's the ramps?
This?
Yep. There's a couple more cool things.
Oh, we need to drive it up there. You guys are lame.
Yeah, we're gonna have to drive it up
So
there.
dumb.
We'll be right back. Here we go. We got the ramps on.
How do these go on? Just shove them in there?
I don't know if they screw on. They might screw on. I don't know.
It don't look like it.
Yeah, they thread onto
Shove
that.
on.
I don't think so. I think they screw onto that thread of
There's
the.
no thread.
What'd you do with all of them?
You just shove it on.
Yeah, see, there's a stud that comes out there that's
Yeah,
threaded.
it ain't threaded.
Does it just shove on, or does it?
I don't know.
screw
Is
on?
it shove on or is it
You
screw on?
definitely screw it on.
Okay.
Gotta listen to Wyatt. He knows what he's talking about.
Why would there be a screw there if you don't screw it on?
Well, I freaking can't get it to screw. It feels like you should just shove it on there.
Are they front and rear, or are they all the same?
Who knows? That
Assuming
freaking
probably all
thing.
the same.
That freaking
Yeah.
thing ain't screwing on very good. I don't
You
think.
want to screw on straight.
No, crooked. Maybe you have to screw your own threads on. That's silly. Maybe they don't go on good.
I don't know.
That's a freaking mess.
Shove 'em.
Oh, that looks good.
Probably should freaking shove them. Jeez.
There's our first bleep of the video.
See that? Look at that mess.
Yeah, that is a mess. You got it on all
Frickin'
crooked.
No. Redcat has it on.
Oh,
crooked.
okay.
You can't shove them. The wheel caps are going to be just tilted wheel caps.
Yeah, mine on pretty good.
Does Redcat get complaints about tilted
What'd you do
wheel?
with the other one?
In my hand.
That
I
must
don't
be
know.
front and rear.
Oh, yeah, one of them's deeper than the other, isn't it?
What do you mean? I put a front on the wrong one?
No, I think you got them right.
They all looked exactly alike to me.
Oh, one's way longer.
Huh? What do you mean longer? Did I get it right? This needs unscrewed. That is a mess.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Back one's good. Front
That's a
one's
mess.
not good.
It needs fixed.
My side's fine. You messed your side up.
I did mess it up. I tried. It's just crooked. See that crookedness? Okay, I think yours is good now. This good now? Okay.
Got a place for a winch, too. You can put a real
Okay.
winch on the back of it.
Shove that thing
Winch your
forward.
cars up there.
Run over my tomatoes. Okay.
We got enough room to pull the car on there?
Looks like it's long
All
enough.
right, well, grab the remote and line
I
your
have
car
to
up
hit the
and drive it
tomatoes a
on
little
up
bit more. Okay, Wyatt.
Is that on?
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
it's on.
Oh! That's the way.
He's gonna high wheel it on there. Well, I guess that's one way to do it.
Maybe not.
Oh. Whoa.
It's got such skinny little tires.
Raise your back up some. There you go. That is so cool. Oh, there it is.
Yes. Look at that.
And there's also a place in the back you can store your ramps. So they don't just like
Oh, yeah, I see that.
stay in the package or whatever.
You have to shove them back in there. This way.
You gotta take it out.
Now you know how to run a tow truck.
Yeah.
Is that really where they go in real tow trucks?
Well, probably they would have something like that.
Huh. They probably copied from a real one.
This thing will haul crawlers too, so that's gonna be cool.
That's neat.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it does have one more trick that we can't see yet. Do you see little parts in the bag over there, Wyatt, that are metal?
Please.
Uh-huh. You know what those are gonna be for?
Towing a trailer.
No, this thing,
It's
we're
really
gonna
nice.
add 2 servos to it, and it is going to drop to the ground. You can raise and lower the whole truck, the suspension.
What do you mean by that?
Like, kind of like this does.
That's funny.
The truck will
Why
raise
would
up
it
and
do
down.
that?
It looks cool.
Like
It's like a
aero.
lowrider. It'll sit on the
Look at the
ground.
neato steps. It's got little shiny steps you could walk up. Those are so neat. You see the little steps, Wyatt?
Yeah.
That is
Boy, that's
beautiful.
got a nice detail. It's just like the way one of these would be, I guess, in real life. Huh. That's fancy. Oh, so fancy. Okay, well, what do you guys think?
It's awesome.
Okay.
That is incredible.
Well, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.